The government apparently has decided it's not going to raise income tax. Now, I can't claim credit for this, but we did poll our readers. 66% of voters believe Rachel Reeves should resign if she puts up income tax. I'm sure that political calculation has featured in this U-turn. Remember the extent to which the Chancellor has been laying the groundwork for major tax changes, addressing the nation and then sitting down with the BBC this week to explain that she probably will have to break her manifesto pledges on income tax. Reports overnight emerging that they're not going to do that. However, they're still looking at about £30 billion worth of tax rises needed. So the question is, if you're not going to raise income tax, what are you going to do? It seems like they might, in fact, lower the threshold so people start paying rates of tax on a lower salary point. Now, I'm afraid no amount of spin can change the fact that that would constitute a tax rise. Also, going to have to look at all the other smaller taxes that a plan to raise income tax had sort of done away with. Now, the bond markets are very, very nervous and very jumpy this morning. The cost of borrowing has surged, the pound has fallen. And markets don't like being taken for a ride politically. That's certainly what appears to be going on. The Treasury's formal line is that they don't comment on budget speculation. That said, well, there's very little else to comment on. Question now is, who's in charge of this budget? If it isn't the Chancellor, it might be number 10. It is also the case that the answer might be nobody at all.